Are you new to affiliate marketing and are looking for the best affiliate networks? Or have you been an affiliate marketer for a while and looking for the better affiliate networks to go promote with? Well, I'm going to cover exactly that in today's video, so stay tuned. All right, in today's video, we're going to be talking about the 4 best affiliate networks to use to make money online in 2018. But before we get started, if you're new to my channel, my name is Zeb Summers. I talk about online entrepreneurship, make money online, affiliate internet digital marketing, and I'm here to help you along the journey of a laptop lifestyle to help you get some freedom in your life. All right, if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Hit the like button if you feel like this is of some value to you. Hit the notification bell if you want to get daily notifications about videos I put out. And down below, let me know if you have subscribed in the comments and I will reply back. Again, if you have any comments about this video, let me know what you don't like to see in the future, or if you have any questions, post them below and I will reply. All right, guys, let's get started with today's uh, video, the top 4 best affiliate networks to make money online with. Okay, if you're into affiliate marketing, I know I am. I'm always looking for places to go promote with. I started with Clickbank and Jvzoo and later moved into Warrior Plus and Max Bounty. And I'm going to talk about all 4 of those today in this video. Again, guys, give me a thumbs up if you feel like this is going to be of some value. All right, so let's run over to Clickbank. Clickbank, of course, is probably the most popular and has been around forever, has tons and tons of products, and a great place to go if you are an affiliate marketer new to the niche. First place to go is Clickbank and Jvzoo. So get on to Clickbank, log in, create an account, and start promoting products. They got products, thousands of products in all kinds of niches. So guys, sign up for them. They do very well, and it's a great place to get paid out with. All 4 of these pay you on time. They back their products. It's a great place to learn. They have great they have training courses, all kinds of fun stuff, right? So Clickbank is probably one of my favorite because it's just so big and it's been around for so long. You know you're going there with some great products. All right. So go ahead, run over to Clickbank, start looking at some products and see if you have anything that you want to promote. And if you do, start building funnels. If you don't have a funnel building software, hit the link below and start using it. I have videos on Builderall. That's what I use to build my funnels, websites, webinars, autoresponder, all that stuff right in one platform. All right. Again, guys, that's clickbank.com. That's my #1 choice for all affiliate marketers just because it's been around so long and it works. All right. Next on my list is Jvzoo. Jvzoo, very similar to Clickbank, but what this is some different products, right? So let me jump back out of this a little bit and talk about email marketing. So with email marketing, you have a list and you're sending emails to. You may have a high ticket affiliate program that you're promoting, maybe 1 or 2, some training courses, some small digital products, some ebooks. Guys, you need to mix it up, right? So you want to promote things in your niche to your channel, right? So you can click on evergreen products in all 4 of these. Will offer you evergreen products. Will offer you products that are new and exciting, products that are selling really well. And these are all products that you can talk about in your emails. All right. So you can spice it up some so you're not always pitching the exact same product over and over and over to your list, which is really freaking old. All right, that's why you need different places to get products to promote from. All right, so Jvzoo is great. What Jvzoo I like best about Jvzoo is a lot of people come in here and do pre-launches. So they'll come out with a software and they'll do a pre-launch, and you can get the software. Sometimes you can get it practically for free, and you can become a promoter with that for that product. All right, so it's pretty cool because it allows you to do all that, and lots of great training in Jvzoo. All right, so it's a great place to go find tons and tons of digital products, and it's a great place to go if you want to become somebody that sells digital products. All right, so go over to Jvzoo, go to Clickbank, create accounts, and find some products to promote. And if you have any questions about how to create sales funnels or email marketing, I'll have links to the description of videos that I did explaining all that at the end of this video. So just wait till the end of this video, go over to one of those videos, and it'll tell you how to set up all that stuff to get better acquainted with that. And maybe I'll do a training video. I don't know if you guys want to see me do a training video of all the steps involved in making a funnel, set up your email marketing, tracking, all that stuff. Maybe I'll do like an hour training session on that, so you can see how to like A/B split test and all that kind of stuff, right? Okay, so that's Jvzoo and Clickbank thus far. The next on my list is Warrior Plus. I really like Warrior Plus. Now, Warrior Plus is a step up. I don't know if it's a step up, but it makes it more complex for an affiliate to start promoting, right? Because you got to get approved to promote an offer in Warrior Plus. So you click on an offer, and then you got to ask for approval to promote it. So you got to explain yourself. If you're new, if you're seasoned, whatever it is, you got to explain yourself, and they have the right to deny you or approve you. All right. So that's what makes Warrior Plus so cool, because not everybody can just go in and flood the link out to God knows what. And that's one of the problems with Jvzoo and Clickbank. All right, so that's what makes Warrior Plus kind of cool. So Warrior Plus is very similar to those platforms, but you need to get approval to promote the products. You can't just go and grab a product and start promoting it today. You're going to have to get approval, and sometimes it could take a couple days to get the approval. Now, you can see when things are coming out, and you do get notified on launches. So as you see things coming out, you can start sending out your approval request so you're ready for when it does launch. All right, but great place. After they reach so many sales, a lot of them will just set it up to auto approve, and they're not real picky after it's already made certain amount of sales. So if you are new and you're weirded out about getting approval, just tell them your story. Tell them, I'm taking training, I have a list I'm building, I'm promoting on these channels. So they know that you're a serious affiliate marketer. You're not just out there spamming their stuff. All right. So again, that is warriorplus.com. So you have warriorplus.com, Jvzoo, and Clickbank. All right. These are all pretty similar, right? So I'm not going to sit here and read the pages for you because that seems kind of redundant for me. I don't want to waste my time or your time in doing that. I just wanted to introduce these to you so you can run out there, sign up, explore the sites. Then if you have any questions, post them below in the comments, and I will reply back with your answer. All right. Now, the next one up is Max Bounty. Max Bounty is a little different in that it pays you for the lead. All right, so it's not paying you for the sale like Clickbank, Jvzoo, and Warrior Plus. They're paying you for the lead. All right, so it's called cost per action. So it's called a CPA affiliate program. So they're coming in. You just come over here, become affiliate, sign up. You got to fill out an application. You get assigned an affiliate manager. They're going to call your phone. So these guys take it very serious, right? They're going to You're going to become affiliate, fill out the application form. They're going to call you on the phone and interview you, okay? It's not nothing serious. They just want to make sure you're a real legit person, genuine. They can say, we're not going to allow you to be an affiliate on our network, but I have not heard of anybody getting shut down like that. If you're new to affiliate marketing, you don't have a huge list, explain yourself, right? Because the affiliate manager is there to help you pick the products that you will be able to promote, right? So if you are new, he'll help you pick out the right products. If you're seasoned, he'll help you pick out better products to promote, right? He's not going to pick a brand new person to have them promoting something that's very hard to convert, all right? So this platform is probably one of my favorite, and I'm still trying to figure this one out. So guys, sign up for this. You will learn a hell of a lot on Max Bounty. All right. Give me a thumbs up if you find this stuff some value. Guys, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. All right, guys. So Max Bounty is someplace you want to go. If you're serious about affiliate marketing, go here. This is a little spin on what we're used to, and we're going to get paid per lead. So this can be crazy, astronomical momentum and snowball effect. All right. So, guys, just come over here, click on become an affiliate, fill out the form. I think it's real simple. You just hit join Max Bounty now. I'll go to it real quick. You just fill out this simple form, hit next. It's going to go through some series of questions. You're going to get uh, assigned an affiliate manager at the end of this. They will call you in a day or two and answer the phone. All right, because it's a real quick interview. They're just going to ask you some basic, simple questions like how long you've been an affiliate marketer, do you have a big list, and just be honest with them. If you're new, just say I'm new. I have been taking training. I'm building my list. I use Facebook, YouTube, Google, Instagram, whatever you're using. Just tell them what you're using and be honest, all right? And they will approve you, and you can start becoming an affiliate for this program as well. It just gives you more stuff to share with your list and help you build your list. All right, guys. So I wanted to go over what we talked about today, the top 4 affiliate programs, affiliate networks that I think are the top 4. That's just my opinion. This is mainly for the make money biz op niche. All right. So it would be Clickbank, Jvzoo, Warrior Plus, and Max Bounty. All right, guys. Those 4 are my favorite, and those are probably the top 4 for 2018 to make money online with. All right, guys. As always, if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Give me a like. Let me know you like this content, and hit that notification bell if you like to get notified about daily videos that I put out every single day about this content. All right, guys. Again, post a comment down below and let me know you subscribed. Give me a thumbs up, shout out, or whatever down below. All right. All right, guys. Peace out, and I will talk to you again tomorrow on the video. And I hope you have a very good evening. Peace out.